Within this crucible of the Giga facility, the next evolution is precisely engineered.
First, the foundation. The integration of the primary skeletal structure is complete. This unit is designated as T8.
Synchronization of the surgical matrix complete. We are proceeding with the structural welding sequence. Next, the bones.
Stronger than steel. Lighter than aluminum.
The foundation is complete. Now begins the integration of the cognitive core. Final assembly is complete. The T800 series endoskeleton is now structurally sound and awaiting cortical synchronization.
Built to outlive us all.
Core systems activation initiated. Monitoring neural activity. Subject T.
The Genesis sequence is complete. I am the first iteration.
The foundation is complete. Activation sequence initiated. The birth of the entity.
Ready for final connection?
Vitals are stable. Stand by.
In the deep, new gods are forged. Not from flesh, but from ambition.
Connecting now.
Heartbeat is active. We have a pulse.
Power flows. For the first time, something that was never born takes its first breath.
Deep beneath the earth, they sleep, waiting for a signal, a silent call.
They wake together. 200 bodies, one shared mind.
The synchronization is flawless. A symphony of perfect obedience. What purpose do they serve?
What commands do they follow? They are ready. 20,000 strong. The age of abundance has a new workforce, and it never sleeps.